Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this KEDSUM portable mini hand truck. I've already been using this for over 2 months now, and this is a great hand truck to have. I like how compact it is and how easy it is to unfold and to use. So you can see how thin it is, yet how strong and durable. So you can see the wheels are nice and thick and heavy duty. And then it has the swivel wheels, also heavy duty. Comes with this elastic bands with the hook, the telescoping handle, nice heavy duty metal material. So this could hold a lot of weight and it's going to last a long time. So let me show you how easy it is to set it up. So once you unravel the straps, you're going to step on here with your foot and then lift it up. And then once it locks, then you're able to lift this up. So this goes pretty tall, maybe about 3 to 4 feet right here. And then these straps, when you're not using them, you could strap it like so. And this hooks up easily under here. Then if you need to make it tighter, you can strap like that. And so now it's nice, and if you want to put this heavy box on a hand truck, just take off the elastic cords. You lift it up. You can put the straps on just to secure it on here. So that way this doesn't tip over. Like so. And now you're ready to move it. Okay. Very easy to move around. And it moves very freely. And you can even move it this way, like so, because of the swivel wheels. So this works very well. And then when you finish using it, you push down the button. This goes down. Then you wrap your bungee cords around, like so. And it comes with a convenient storage bag if you want to store it away. So it's very easy to store away. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great heavy-duty portable hand truck. I like how it's made very well and durable. It's a nice durable steel. It has a good weight to it. I also like how it comes with the elastic bungee cords. The wheels are very durable, and I also like the swivel wheels that it has on the front, so it's easy to maneuver. So this is a great buy.